Are you looking to create stunning blogs in seconds? Yes, we are talking about AI technologies. But this is not any AI generated content like from ChatGPT. This one is undetectable. Let's find out how. Does it mean that Google has no clue that it's AI generated? But how does it help you in any way? This AI content has scored an incredible 100% originality score, which means that it's more human like. And it has a better chance to rank on Google and create more traction for your website. So people, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create blog posts quickly that stands out. We would normally create content from ChatGPT, which might look like this, but with an AI tool called PepoSoft, we can create content which looks like this. You can see it's more professional and engaging. We're going to look at everything step by step, right from blog ideas to adding images for your blogs. Everything using the AI tool called PepoSoft. And the cool part is it's completely free and it takes less than 10 minutes for you to create a blog. So get ready guys, we're going to get started creating our own blog. Step 1 is to log in into PepoSoft.ai. So please visit the site PepoSoft.ai and try to sign up. And once you sign up, log in into your account. And step 2 is to look for blog title generator in the list here. Just type in the idea to which blog titles are needed and just click on generate. Step 3 is to create a blog outline. So we click on blog outline here and we just have to copy the blog title that we have just generated and paste it over here. Add some points, select the tone and language, and if you have some keywords you can add them too, and click on generate. This is how we generate a blog outline for the blog that we are going to write. Now I'm going to copy this blog outline and I'm going to paste it in a Google Doc file. Step 4 is to create content for your blog. Since you have your blog outline and the title for the blog, you can select the article blog writer from PepoSoft.ai and just paste the blog title and paste the outline from the doc file and choose the tone, language, and click on generate. And we got a nice blog written for us. Step number 5 is adding images. So this is an integral part of blog writing. So PepoSoft AI also helps in generating images. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on image generation. I'm going to choose the description for my image. I'm going to choose how many images I want, dimensions, and click on generate. There you go. We've got nice images generated for us. And I'm going to copy these images and I'm going to paste it in my blog. Now let's check our blog content generated by PepoSoft with a AI Detector tool. I'm gonna copy the blog written and I'm gonna paste my blog content over here and I'm gonna check for AI content. There you go. It's 100% human written content. Now, having done with the blog, you would have to upload it to your WordPress site. We already have our blog content with us, so we're gonna upload it to a WordPress site now. As you can see, I have logged into my WordPress dashboard. Now I'm gonna look at posts and add new posts. And in here, I'm gonna paste the blog content that I've just created. And I'm gonna paste it over here. So as you can see, we have created a blog in our WordPress website. I can just click on publish and click on publish again. And that's it. Now, if I click on view post here, I'd be able to look at my post here. Now, there is an alternate way to add posts, so I'm going to show you that as well. All right, I'm going to visit PepoSoft.ai's website. I'm gonna log in, and in here, if you scroll towards your left, there is an option called API key. I'm gonna copy this key, and here there is an option at the bottom to download WordPress plugin. So I'm gonna click here. I'm gonna download the zip file, and in the plugins area, I'm gonna click on add new plugin, and I'm gonna click on upload plugin, and I'm gonna choose the file that I've just downloaded and click on install now. As you can see, plugin has been installed successfully. I'm going to click on activate plugin. Now the plugin has been activated. Click on PepoSoft AI API and paste the API key. Click on save changes. Now you can go ahead and add new page. At the bottom of this page, I will have an option given by PepoSoft AI to generate a blog using PepoSoft AI blog post generator. I can actually choose my post title, and I can have my outline pasted over here and click on generate blog post. And as you can see, AI has generated a nice blog for you in your page. And that is it, guys. We've got nice blog written with images within a matter of minutes. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until I meet you next time in another video, it's bye bye from Emmanuel. Take care.